And now for something completely different. Get your mind around these bronze fittings. For a kick-off, they're catalogued as being Ghaznavid, which is a tribal coalition that is loosely Persian and of northwest Indian origin, dating from around the 11th or 12th centuries. We've got these zoomorphic outliers who have beady eyes filled with ceramic chips and extraordinary sticking up ears that project and have flattened feet. That comes back to a reticulated bulb and a long tubular section. And on the back are some conforming reticulated plates that indicate that these may have been originally fittings for some massive bronze doors. The colour is superb. The design is very unusual. The fact that they're over 1,000 years old makes them very interesting. What is the auction room estimate? Well, it's been pitched at £6,000 to £8,000. There is a further big story to be told behind these objects. I bet you £1. Well, actually, £6,000 to £8,000.